Hello guys, my name is Nia and this video is going to be super useful because I've prepared a perfect strategy that brings phenomenal results even to complete beginners. You can try it with any amount, even with a couple of dollars. I will show you every detail, so watch this video to the end. Let's see what result I will get today. So, you'll see that here I performed my platform for work, withdrew my funds in order to show you that you can start even with $10. Now, I'll set up my indicators and then we'll go into our trading session. Let's move on to our next pocket. First of all, let's set the time frame for 15 seconds and the time expiration for 15 seconds as well. $10 isn't much, but now you'll see my strategy and realize that it's a great amount to start with. For my strategy, let's add the secret sauce. It is the MACD and the stochastic indicators. And customize their display style. Select the line thickness of 2 pixels for both indicators. Now let's select currency pairs. We choose the first 4 currency pairs with a percentage payout of 92%. Let's move on to the trading and start with the first currency pair. We see here a downward movement according to the histogram and a downward movement according to the stochastic indicator. Let's open a put option. Great job! We did it at capitalizing, guys. We adjust the amount of the trade and move on to the next currency pair. We see a strong downward movement. At the same time, the histogram of the MACD is interdeterminate. Because of that, we'll move on to the next currency pair. Here, we see an upward movement according to the MACD and stochastic indicators. We wait for a suitable entry point and open a call option. The price is going up very strongly. In such situations, you should not open the deal as it is very risky. There will be a correction now, so we will open a put option because there are 3 very big candles up, after which there should be at least some correction. Although the indicators tells us vice versa, but the histogram of the MACD starts to light up red, which confirms our trade. Well done, it's all thanks to you that I continue to learn and improve my skills. That's what trading is about, guys, and personally, it gives me a huge number of opportunities to realize my dreams. For example, to help my loved ones buy my expensive wishes to discover this. And also to benefit people because I can share my experience. For example, I help my subscribers get great trading results through my Telegram channel. Every day, I hold live trading sessions there where in real time you can copy my carefully selected entry points for your trades. And you know what the most important thing is? It's completely free and can bring you really cool results. All you need to do is click on the link in the description and get into the trading bot, which will provide further instructions for your actions. Be sure to try it, and I am going back to our strategy. We move on to the next currency pair. We see a reversal structure according to the stochastic indicator and the MACD indicator. Because of this, we open a call option. Great! We've made a profit again. Let's move on to the next currency pair. We see a downward movement on the MACD and stochastic indicators. The red line is also close, making an intersection with the green line from bottom to top. Because of this, we open a put option. Great! Everything's just as we planned. Let's move on to the next currency pair. We see a downward movement on the stochastics also. The histogram starts to turn red. Guys, let's open a put option. It wasn't easy, but we fixed this deal in the plus side. Oh, that's great. Let's move on to the next currency pair. We see the downward price movement. Our stochastic is close to the level of 20. Let's open a put option. Great. let's move on to the next currency pair. We see a downward movement in the MACD and the stochastic indicators. And let's open a position to the downside. By the way, I teach you how to find and use similar situations on charts in my Telegram channel. The more different tools you study, the more confident you begin to feel in the markets. In addition, you can participate in my free trading sessions. I show you when and where to make a deal. You choose the amount that is convenient for you, and we both get excellent results. Does it sound interesting? I think so too. All information can be found at the link in the description below this video. And we continue. Oh, that's great. Let's move on to the next currency pair. We see an upward movement according to the MACD indicator and a downward movement according to the stochastic indicator also. Because of this, let's move on to the next currency pair. We see the beginning of a downward movement on the MACD indicator as well as a downward movement on the stochastic indicator. We'll open a put option. Boom! Oh, that's great. Let's move on to the next currency pair. We see the beginning of the upward movement of the stochastic indicator. Also, the histogram of the MACD lights up green, which tells us about the upward movement. Boom! Great. So much trading today. Super. With the help of two indicators, the MACD and the stochastic indicator, the MACD was showing us general trend direction and the stochastic was confirming our trades. So, guys, my result for today is 2,300. I think this proves the effectiveness of my strategy. So, use it, make your cool results, and tell us about them in the comments. I think you will now agree that the most reliable way for novice traders is to participate in my live trading sessions. All information about them can be found in the board at the link in the description below this video. Become a part of our community, copy my deals, and achieve results close to mine. Bye-bye.